Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today I have the ZIKEE pill organizer. We're gonna check this thing out. As the older I get, I seem to keep accumulating more pills and stuff, and aspirins, and not aspirins, but medicine, vitamins that I want to take every day. And so I'm gonna give this thing a try. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to just do it with my hand here because broke my arm. So we're gonna open this thing up. And so I got this one here, check it out. It's got huge compartments, so it'll be super easy to do. The other one I had two small compartments, and I couldn't even fit my my vitamin C stuff in it just because it was too big. So let's see how this one looks here. It's good, it's got a week's worth. This is perfect for like travel and stuff. Opening it is ridiculously easy. Look, I mean, it stays nice and closed, so it shakes around, no problem. But then watch, if I'm gonna open it, just push the buttons on here. So how to get into it, super easy. So if there's an older person or something that just has a hard time opening these things, this will definitely do it. Good. You can see the words, the days of the week are written very well on it. It's a hard plastic, but it's not that super ridiculously hard that's gonna fall and crack. It's kind of I don't know what it would be, some sort of PVC something, but it seems good to me. I like it. I'm gonna give this thing a try. Yeah, I mean, if I twist it and turn it, it seems to pop open, but for the most part, it's gonna stay closed. Great for keeping on a counter for somebody to use daily. Gives you a whole week's worth, so that's perfect for me. So I like it, and different colors. I don't know what the colors are, but you know, I guess if you like different colors, if you had somebody, you could always tell them, take the yellow one, take the blue one. So there we go. So I like it, and it looks like it definitely will fit a lot of stuff in each one. I'm not going to show you all my medicines in there. Probably we get this video bugged, but that's it. That's what it looks like, and thumbs up from me. And this is the little paper from it, the package that it came in. So thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.